Oh no!
Shoe came off.
Ah no!
So unlucky. One more.
So this is the intro. Mike learns how to do a kickflip. We forgot to film it, so now we're filming it at the end after we're all done.
After the clothes change and all the fails and bruises and falls.
What he did. Alright, so Mike's gonna warm up with some of the basics he knows, starting with like ollies and shoves and stuff. Let's see them ollies. Oh, that was a good one.
That was because I warmed up.
Oh. Killer, bro. Shove it. Looks like he's going for the backside, and it was a 90. Oh, that was a good one. Hell yeah, dude.
One of the better ones, for sure.
Definitely. Oh, that was a good one too, dude.
Front side.
Front side 90.
Well, that's what I'm at on those. What about 180s?
180s. Which one? Front side, back side? And he goes.
Like a 130.
Front side.
I just gotta control the board.
That was better. Oh, he didn't stick it though.
Shoot. Alright, I'll land one of those and then switch.
Oh, hey. There, you got it. 3 seconds. They're harder. Definitely a lot harder.
My body all the way around.
Just spin really hard with your shoulders. Yeah. Just think of it like your shoulder movement, not a skateboard movement. It kind of helps. There you go. There you go.
That's not bad.
Close.
Alright, one now.
You already did shoves in 180s?
I guess we go right into it, right?
Alright, so now he's warmed up a bit with his basics. He's going to try to learn his kickflip. He already's landed a few, but he's trying to get it on lock.
We'll still pop it too high.
Oh, that one was close. You almost caught that in the air. You just got to lift your front foot more. That one, your front foot stopped it, it looked
I
like.
think what I'm doing is I'm popping, but I'm not.
Getting that full flick.
I'm not flicking it yet.
You're not getting your foot away from it.
And the board still comes up.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. I should probably talk less.
It's like an endurance test.
Definitely. Woo. The almost popsicle. You see his face?
Alright, let's try.
Right here? I believe you. Close. You just gotta flick it harder. You just gotta flick. Flick! Flick of the ankle, dog. Oh, you gotta lift your feet up higher after you do it.
Off balance going into that.
Oh, that was close.
And I didn't spin it fast enough.
Ooh.
Dude, when I pop it, I'm making it go up, and it stays up.
Yeah. You gotta even it out like an ollie. Think about that ollie motion. I don't know what that was, but close. Whoa, that was close. You almost caught it. That was close.
I gotta use that, yeah.
Getting some water, boys. Stay hydrated.
I had a thought in my
I
head.
threw you off?
No, not even you. As soon as I went to jump, something popped in my brain.
3 tries for Dairy Queen. I'll give you another chance. Oh, I think your board chipped. Yeah. Bring it here. Let's see it.
First chip.
Damn, son. Kickflips are brutal. Was that an attempt or was that an ollie?
Pretty sick ollie. Oh.
I said 3 tries for Dairy Queen, not a popsicle.
I was just thinking popsicle in my head.
Oh, you were so close, Mike.
I want it. This is it.
Reach out and grab it, dude. You got it.
Next try.
Next try. Try different foot positions.
I think my back foot. Where do you put your back foot?
Right in the center. Like an ollie. Oh, you were right there.
No, I've been putting mine like that and that.
Yeah, see when I... Oh, that one's kind of close. When I do it, I put my feet like this. Back to the flippers. The kicker flips. Oh, that one looked like you landed it from my point of view.
We'll just Photoshop an extra foot in
Do you
there.
hear this, kid? I'm just kidding. Whew, don't hit yourself in the face with the nose.
Yeah, I got a steel jaw.
Yeah, there you go.
I just need to like come off.
Ooh, that was close. You good, doggy?
I just gotta think about it.
3 tries for Dairy Queen. Third try or third chance. Oh. Whoa, dude. That was close to your...
That's so bad.
Yeah?
My board should not be doing that.
Oh, you were right there. Oh. Oh, you were right there, Mike. Deep breaths, Mike. Oh, you were right there. Extend your foot more. Oh, hell yeah, it's okay, counts, come here.
Clean it up now.
All right, there, 2 to make it true. Good stuff. What? That was a late flip. Oh, another one, you did it.
That was 2 toe
It's
touches.
progress though, hell yeah. Oh no!
Shoe came off.
Ah no!
So lucky. One more.
Oh, that one counted.
Little toe touch.
How much? None?
Toe touch.
It didn't look like it. It just looked like you're about to fall.
Redo it.
Oh, oh, oh! He held it for 3 seconds. He did it! Woo!
Don't put that in.
Oh, you had it again. Hell yeah. That one you didn't toe touch, did you?
A little bit.
Hell yeah. Like yeah.
It's Rob's turn to warm up and skate a little bit. Ooh, nice ollie. Woo! Ooh, first try. Oh, little bit of a toe touch. Oh.